Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add display. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. So actually, when you start your OBS, it's going to look something like this, just pure black. Well, I guess maybe I won't turn off my display so you guys just aren't seeing pure black, but it's going to be like just nothing, right? So in order to capture your display capture, sometimes it pops up with the display. I don't know. The settings in this are weird. You just need to go to your sources, go to plus, and then just go to display capture like so, and then you can choose which one of your displays you want it to capture, and then just press OK. Sometimes it'll be in the wrong resolution. Just go ahead and right click it, go to transform, fit to screen, and then now everything is beautiful. As you see, since I'm using OBS and I was just manipulating it on the same thing I was recording, you guys probably seen something a little bit weird there, but that was just me fitting my uh, display to my screen. And to do that, I just right clicked it and then went to transform and then did fit to screen. You guys probably couldn't have even seen it right there. I apologize. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.